Hey guys, it's that Dividend Guy coming at you with another stock market news update. So I keep on seeing headlines on CNBC, Barron, Market Watch, all these different places saying Warren Buffett bought gold. Let me clarify. The ticker symbol, as you can read it, is GOLD, which is gold. But he didn't buy gold. It's very different what he actually bought. So the reason people freaked out when Buffett bought gold and he sold out of banks is because he's been bullish on banks for years, but generally people are bullish on banks when the economy's going very well, which it was a bull market for like 12 years. And then he sold out of Goldman Sachs completely, trimmed shares in US Bank, JP Morgan Chase, and then sold out of some other smaller banks. So people were freaking out because they thought it was abnormal for Buffett, and he went out and bought gold bars. Is essentially what I keep reading online. But the thing is, I was surprised that he did trim some of the biggest and brightest banks in the entire world, and then he bumped up his share count in Bank of America. I don't know why that is yet. I haven't really done a lot of research into it, but if I find out why, I definitely will share it with you guys. But the fact that the headlines keep saying Buffett sells out of banks and he buys gold, that's not true. So what Buffett did buy, we'll look at what Barrick Gold actually does because it's different. And there's another reason why they're wrong. So Buffett bashes gold because it doesn't produce any passive income for you, and it's not applicable in everyday life. So let me explain. If you have a gold bar and you put it under your bed, you're not going to get anything on it. It's the same thing as having straight cash under the mattress. You're not going to gain any interest or any passive income. It doesn't grow for you. It's simply a gold bar. The other issue that Buffett has expressed with gold is you can't take it to the supermarket and buy anything with it. If there's a pandemic, people use it as a hedge for safety, but end all be all, you can't go to the grocery store and buy gold. You can't go to the grocery store and buy groceries with a bar of gold. You can't go buy a car with a bar of gold. You can't do anything. It's not applicable in everyday life. So he doesn't bash gold as a hedge, he bashes it as an investment because it doesn't grow. Right? He understands it's a safety thing, but it's not applicable to him because he wants to grow cash flow. He wants a passive he wants to make money passively with his investments, which makes sense because the whole point of putting money in the stock market is to have your money make money. So if you're putting it into something that doesn't gain value, there's while you sleep, there's no point in investing in it. So Barrick Gold is not a gold bar company. It's different. It's not just gold. There's more to it than that. So let's take a look at what they do. Barrick Gold engages in the production and sale of gold and copper. So it's already diversified. It's not a gold company, it's gold and copper. Very different. As well as related activities such as exploration and mine development. So they mine gold and copper. It's a mining company. It's not a gold company. It's a mining company. Big difference there as well. It operates through certain segments. I'm not going to read all of those because I'll probably butcher most of them. The company was founded by Peter D. Monk in 1983. So, a couple things. One, it's not a gold company. It's a gold and copper mining company. It's a mining company, not a gold company. Big difference there. They're not in the business of gold. They're in the business of mining. So it's different. So there's one issue I have with the headlines. And two, it fits Buffett's ideology because, as you can see, there is a dividend yield. So this quote unquote gold play, which is a mining play on gold, so it's not directly gold, and there's copper involved, so it's not a strict gold play, it makes him passive income through dividend investing. So, yes, he bought a gold company. Yes, the ticker symbol is gold. That's what the media is saying. But what he really did was he bought a mining company that searches for gold and copper. And the reason he did that, he didn't buy gold bars. He bought it for the mining and the dividend. So it's different. It's not what the headlines are saying because I keep seeing Buffett buys gold. Buffett bought a mining company that pays a dividend. Therefore, he gets kind of the hedge and safety of gold and copper, but he gets the dividend of a dividend paying stock. So he makes passive income off of gold, which is Genius. So, anyways, guys, I just wanted to clear that up because I keep seeing headlines about Buffett's not bullish on the economy anymore because he got out of banks and he bought gold. He didn't buy gold, he bought a mining company. Big difference. Anyways, guys, that means don't believe every headline you see and do some research, because a lot of times they'll blow a story out of proportion and say Buffett's lost his touch, he doesn't know what he's doing. And he's making money off of something that doesn't actually make money. So a gold bar does not produce you any income, but he's getting a dividend off of a company that explores quote unquote gold bars and copper bars. So he's making money off something that does not generally make money. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button, and when you hit the bell notification. Were you surprised to see that Buffett trimmed a lot of his bank holdings? Because I was. Were you surprised to see that he bought a quote-unquote gold company? I was too, but he did it in a very smart way. It wasn't just buying gold bars. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next dividend investing video. Take care, guys.